Hi, I'm Andy Mack. I'm at NAMM 2020, and we're going to be looking at the brand new MPC One. So, first thing I'm going to do is walk you through the actual hardware itself. So, as you can see, 16 pads, full RGB lit. Now, these are velocity and pressure sensitive. Now, the main thing with MPC One is that we're really focusing on the new entry-level beat maker. You know, this is a fully standalone tactile MPC, which gives you all the facilities of MPC Live and MPCX. This means that your workflow is enhanced. You have grid mode, you have sample edit, we have step sequencer. All of the iconic features that you've seen across our models are on MPC One. You've got SD card on the front. You've got added CV gate on the back. So if you're into modular, you can now actually connect your modular racks directly in. MIDI in and out, stereo in and out, sampling, and then you've got USB. So also MPC One will also turn into a control surface. So when you're using the MPC software, this now becomes a controller. And then you can plug in your own external hard drive straight to USB. And again, SD card on the front, so you can import all your own expansions, save all your work. So this is a real tactile piece for us because it really does put MPC into the hands of a whole new beat making community. So some of the other things on here that you'll recognize, you've got all of our touch capacitive controls, so we can go into our grid edit. You can see we can move through our timeline, go through our grids, expand our screen, draw in notes, go through here, highlight whatever we want, use a rubber. Audio tracks as well, so we can go into everything's the same. One of the things that we added as well massively is we've got a brand new sample library as well. So we go to our MPC One library and we've got producers such as Decap, Raw Cuts, MSX Audio, MVP and CR2, so you get a huge collection of samples ready to go. So it gives you about 400 kits, so you can load those straight in. But we've also added a whole range of instruments as well. So we've worked with F9, so F9 instruments, so you get some real high level sample based stuff, 808s, pads, strings, pianos, everything. So you can really work on a full production from the ground upwards. So I'm going to be doing a lot more demos over the course of the next 3 or 4 days at NAMM. So yeah, and one of the most important things as well about MPC One is that you'll see all of these tactile buttons on the hardware. So what this allows me to do is to increase my workflow speed massively. So I can go straight to my grid edit, zoom through my grid, we can go straight to sample edit, automation on and off, step sequencer, shift, and I can go straight into my notes mode. So you can see that I've got dedicated controls to navigate around the workflow. And that is a huge benefit, especially when you're making beats and having to be able to just jump into these different modes. Dedicated quantized straight away. So yeah, that's a quick overview of MPC One. So if you want more information, you can head over to the Akai Pro website. And one thing that you'll see there as well is that we've just launched our Mpc Beats Academy. So this gives you a whole range of tutorials from the ground upwards. So if you're new to the platform, you've never used MPC before, or you've just started using the platform, you'll be able to walk through the whole process of how to make a beat from the ground upwards, and you can really discover some of the most amazing features inside MPC One.